Here we go. Blow game. Royale. I cannot pretend I am who I am. We've been blinded by the laws of the great Uncle Sam. We are Moors, we deserve much more, but we gotta go and get it. It's not knocking at the door. I cannot pretend I am who I am. We've been blinded by the laws of the great Uncle Sam. We are Moors, we deserve much more, but we gotta go and get it. It's not knocking at the door. See, I would die for my freedom. Yes, it's that real. I'm a Moabite queen, mean equipped with the steel. On a mission, making history, no fiction. Master building up my kingdom. If you want it, you can get it. It ain't shit to me. So you got an army? See, I got my own. You got a president? Bitch, I'm sitting on my throne. I'm in the studio, I'm going deep into my zone. They tell me that I'm crazy. I tell them that they sleep, and that it's time to wake up. Go find what you seek, and no, it won't be a walk in the park, more like a swim at the beach in the ocean with the sharks. While you're leaking lots of blood and the pain is hitting hard. I'm trying to paint a picture, can you see my vision clearly? We are a force to be reckoned with, are you hearing me? I see the Europeans shaking cause they fearing me. That's to the knowledge now I got you listening.
Mama, that's a rap, right?
Just a little bit, baby. That's just a little bit.